The 2011 BMW X5M, powered by a twin-turbo 4.4-liter V8 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this all-wheel drive sport utility vehicle, with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This BMW features front and rear side airbags, hill descent control, and all-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include backup camera, BMW Assist, cold weather package, heated seats, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax."